Hello everyone, good evening to everyone. So this is Teacher Ayan muli, nagbabalik. So matagal-tagal tayong hindi naka-upload, no? Because of some series of activities na ginawa natin sa school and at iba pang mga activities na personal. So for tonight, so we have a volume of a cone. So this is grade 8 mathematics. If you're interested to this video, okay, let's go now to our tutorial. So we have learning objectives for this evening. First is we're going to define and identify its parts: the base, the radius, height, slant height. Another is we're going to derive and explain the formula for finding the volume of a cone. Third is solve problems involving the volume of a cone with accuracy. And lastly, apply the formula to real life situations like ice cream cone, traffic cone, and funnel. Okay, so based on the picture, so ano itong unang pinakita natin? Okay, very good. This is an ice cream cone. Another is a birthday hat cone. We have the funnel. Alright, and lastly, we have VLC. So this is a traffic cone. So these are examples of real life cone. So what shape do these objects have in common? Okay, so lahat sila ay examples of cone. Question: I have one flat circular base and one curved side that meets at a point. Who am I? And again, I have one flat circular base and one curved side that meets at a point. What I am? Of course, our answer is a cone. So this part I'm going to give the parts of a cone. So unahin natin yung ating base. So this is our base. Itong kulay blue, right? Itong kulay asul. Another is itong linyang ito. We call this is a radius. Okay, from the center of our base, which is circle, papunta dito sa ating circumference, that is radius. Another part of a cone is this one. This is the height, right? Height of our cone. Next is the slant height of our cone. And meron pang isa. Ito. So, hindi ko lang nalagay. So, this is the vertex. So, this is our vertex. Ulitin ko, this is our base, this is our radius, this is our height, this is our slant height, and this is our vertex. According to the definition, a cone has a circular base, and a vertex that is not in the same plane as the base. When say radius, the radius of the base is the radius of the cone. And height, so the height is the perpendicular distance between the vertex and the base. So the volume for a cylinder is equal to V is equal to pi r squared times the height. Okay, since 3 cones is equivalent to 1 cylinder, so the volume of a cone is 1/3 times pi times r squared times height. Again, the volume of a cone is 1/3 times pi times r squared times height. So, dito natin i-derive yung ating formula for our volume of a cone. The volume of a cylinder is pi r squared times height. So, if you're going to apply this one into real life situation, ang cone at saka ang cylinder, parehas ng height, parehas ng radius. If you're going to get, for example, lagyan natin ng tubig or buhangin yung ating cone. So, bago mapuno yung isang cylinder with the same height and the same radius, so tatlong beses mo siyang lalagyan ng tubig or buhangin yung ating cylinder. So that's why we came up with 1/3. So 1 out of 3. So that is our volume of a cone. Right, example. So find the volume of a cone with a radius of 7 centimeters and the height of 15 centimeters. Again, find the volume of a cone with a radius of 7 centimeters and a height of 15 centimeters. So, given the solution, cone with radius 7 centimeters and a height of 15 centimeters. Next, we are going to apply. So, we're going to follow this one. The volume, which is 1/3 times pi times r squared times height. Next, so substitute the r squared, which is 7 times the height, which is 15. Next, v is equal to 1/3 times pi. 7 times 7 is 49 times 15. So that is 735. After that, you multiply 1/3 times 735. So we came up with 245 pi cubic centimeters. Again, what is the value of pi? Okay, the value of pi is 3.14 for two decimal places and 3.1416 for four decimal places. So if we're going to multiply, volume is approximately 245 times 3.1416. So that is equivalent to 769.69 cubic centimeters. So this is our final answer. 769.69 cubic centimeters. Okay, let's go practice. So I have two problems. First is an ice cream cone has a radius of 4 centimeters and a height of 9 centimeters. How much ice cream can it hold? Ito ng San Corneto. Next, number 2, a traffic cone has a radius of 12 centimeters and a height of 30 centimeters. Find its volume. Okay, please comment your answers below para alam naman natin kung saan umabot yung ating videos. So, thank you so much for your listening, so for your time na dito kayo sa aking channel. I hope suportahan nyo ang aking channel. So, thank you so much. Please like, comment, and share this video para makaabot naman sa ating mga students and yung mga gustong matuto ng ating mathematics subject. Again, hanggang sa muli, so this is Teacher Ayan. Dagang salamat and advance Merry Christmas to all.